Yeah, hello everyone. Today I am going to debug one project as request of my friend Balaji. So actually, what will happen? They are trying to get one project from the GitHub. Let us show it. So this is the project which is posted 6 years ago with the Python. So the project concept is blood group detection using Python. So actually, what happens here? So the project was programmed, developed at 6 years back. So many libraries are updated, up to dated. So what happens here? Some features was removed, or some features was clubbed in another classes in that project. So I will demonstrate each and everything how to we will debug those previous projects for the present libraries. So I already downloaded this project in my projects folder. So I will simply extract this file, sorry, extract in the same location. So here I will open with Visual Studio. So before that, there is no proper README file how to initialize and what is what. So that is the problem in this project. So the project was opened in the Visual Studio now. So let us see what are the components we have in this project. So we have a bunch of images. Actually, I am not from the medical background. I don't know exactly what it is and behind the logic also. But I will tell that what kind of programming activities behind in this project, included in this project. Actually, they provided demo code and as well as GUI, graphical user interface. So coming to the demo, I will try to run this demo project and find the outputs from this. So this is also have many errors, I think. So whenever you imported any project from the GitHub or any other source, first thing you need to do, you need to find these all libraries. We are importing some libraries, no? So we need to try to is this all are installed or not. For that, you simply copy the library name and Google it. You definitely get the pip command for that library. For example, I will try to install for NumPy. I already installed these all libraries. So if just you can ChatGPT also, I will use ChatGPT for most of the debugging processes. So you get the exact solution. What is the pip command for the installing that library? And coming to the next thing, so what happens here? There is no documentation to how to run this code. So I try to run this GUI code. Actually, in the first time of running, we do not have some libraries. I installed properly after that. So after that, we do not have. Sorry, one second. Yeah, as I said previously, first we need to check the as the dependency libraries all are installed or not. After that, we need to check the file paths. The most of the common mistake is that there is no proper file path. For this, actually they set the file path in d colons something their project name and like that. But we are in the our system now, so we need to modify this according to our directory. So I will make that in the root directory. Actually, this icon is here in the root directory of this project. So like that, we need to modify the different file paths or dependency file paths. After that, again I will try to run. Let's see what type of errors we will get. So again we are getting the error. If you have one programming knowledge, you can debug yourself. Otherwise, you can use ChatGPT. I am also not able to understand what the error, so I will use ChatGPT for this. Yeah, see this in the previous version of PLI, it means pillow library. They may accepted in this format, but now present version will we need to replace with this like this. So this compatibility we need to check whenever we are importing the old projects. So I will copy that and I will paste here and I will try to save this. One second. Yeah. Now again I am trying to run. So see this again we have an error. Actually, this error is because some of the keywords was removed in this project. Yeah, see here, the attribute name Antilius, sorry if I wrongly pronounced, was access method was pli.image.antilius. So like that, in different versions, we will update the libraries according to the latest models and technologies. So if I try these also, we do not get proper output. Previously, I tried as well, actually. So why? Because the chart GPT is also not up to date because it is a pre-trained model. No? So whenever we have facing these kind of problems while we are running the programs or projects, we need to refer the original documentation of that library or maybe that software or that may be whatever it may be. So I am here in the original page of Pillow. Present version is 10.0.2, sorry, 10.2.0. So try to update your Pillow version also. I'm going to the terminal, new terminal. Yeah, recently I downloaded, so that's why it is updated. So after that, we need to go to documentation. So here documentation is there now. 1 second. So here documentation. So go to the documentation and try to search what error you are getting. Actually, image dot and sorry, that pronunciation is not properly for me. So try to find search that. So after that, you get some kind of information about that attribute or keyword. So actually, it was removed. So this is the error because it was removed and replaced with this. So we can use either this or this inside of this. So I just copy that and going to my program again. I close my terminal and after that I try to find that what I am want to replace. So I want to replace these with these attribute name. Yes. So actually 4 times we use this attribute. I want to replace all at a time. So I replace that and I save. So now you can check. I want to close this find menu option and sorry. Again I try to find that zero results. Now see here. So where we are replaced, we need to observe that. Actually, these attribute is used for the resize the image. What kind of image you are inputting. So now I will try to run this project. Even though we have some errors, let us debug this all errors. So the error is here. We do not define bled.ico. That is the graphical user face icon which is showing here. So actually, I properly give that file path for that image. Even though I getting the error because of see here pwd present working directory. I am in the bled directory. I mean folder, bed folder in projects folder. But where it is presented, see here, it is in the blood group detection using Python master folder. So we need to change our folder. CD tab. Now we are in the that folder. So list the elements what we have. See here, we have GIU Python program as well as that icon. So now it will run properly. I will try to run again. Sorry, I close my terminal. Once again, I will open. So whenever you open that terminal, it will be on the root directory of that project. So the root directory of this project is actually bled, but when we are extracting those files, it will I will show in the file manager for clarity. It will create another folder with the name of the project blood group detection using Python. So like this, in this project we have all the project related source images and program. So we need to change that CD. So now we are in the actual root directory of that project. So now I will try to run this project by using Python command python dot Python space GUI GUI. So this is, so now you we are getting this. So we need to choose that image. Actually, I do not know. I am not the original author of this project. Anti A. So this is the image. I think I need to give input. So it is getting here. After that, anti B. After that, anti D. And I think this is the images what we are giving input. So we need to give process. So it will prompt the output positive, a positive confirmed. So this is the process how to debug any project when we are getting from another sources. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. So one more thing, if you have any request regarding to like this debugging, or if you need any new projects, please feel free to contact me via my mail ID. And also I will post this project after error free. I mean after debugging into my GitHub page also. You can get the from there also. Yeah, this is my GitHub profile. I will post this after debugging this project also. If you need this project, you can import from here. Thank you for visiting. Have a nice day.